Beansqaud, and today I'm going to show you how to get some free RObux. Just so you know, let me show you my avatar. So I'm going to show you how I got RObux. I just went to more RObux because I ran out. So I'm about to show you my account. If it even loads up. Oh my god, it's not loading. It's loading, but I feel like it's not loading. To show you. I couldn't really buy no outfits really because like they wouldn't let me buy some outfits. It said it wasn't supporting my device, and that was just dumb. But as you can see, here's the stuff here. I'm gonna get the love I feel because I haven't been wearing that one. Anyway, so I'm about to go get the code. I'm about to type it in. Okay, type in Java RObux generator later Beansqaud, and yeah, you have to say it just like I did. Now here it looks like. I'm about to show you guys. That's it right there. I spelled generator wrong, so let me fix that. Hold on. There, I spelled it right. Now copy it. This will be, the link will be in the description. So copy it. And click on your account. Okay. So yeah, and by like a few hours for your account to get ready on that. Wait, don't wait right now, not right now, but in a few seconds you're gonna have to wait. So click these three little dots right here. Hit edit as HTML, and then type it in, and there it is. Hit enter, and then yeah, you have to wait. When you get done hitting enter, click this, and I'll see you guys later in a few seconds. So yeah, you guys, I'm back on my whole page, and as you can see, it worked. The only reason why it has the 1 right there is because whatever Robux you have, it will automatically be there, so you have even more Robux. Like if when you go to the catalog, you will click that little button on the side at the top, like it's right here. But this says pay with your Robux that you have, or either pay with the Robux that you're not with. And I know I'm so happy because I got 1 more Robux. So yeah, there you go. Enjoy your Robux, have fun, and be cool. Bye.